When you win a Top Workplace Award, it isn't just necessarily what the senior leadership might aspire for us to get done. It's a collection of what everybody is doing inside of our walls. So teamwork is extra special at Kapco, and it's really a reflection of everybody getting together and making each other a top priority.
So it starts from the day that somebody applies. They join us in new hire orientation. We start out with our mentor program and their on-the-job training. Kapco University, other perks that you get to enjoy, some of those beyond the paycheck things, the gym membership, the fun that we get to have, concerts and sporting events and picnics, and bringing all of us together at one time to take a moment just to say thank you and remember what it is that we do here and how we give back.
The growth of this company is going to be explosive. We're going to need hundreds of more teammates, and we're going to look really carefully about how to create an environment second to none in southeastern Wisconsin, and especially in the metal stamping and fabricating world. We love to bend metal, and we love to make impressions on people's lives.